unbelievable. This moment is mind-blowing. विशाल, शेखर, रितेश सभी हैं. And this moment is absolutely unforgettable. This special evening is brought to you by Star Promotions. And next, I am going to invite the man behind Star Promotions, the man whose very hard work and complete devotion towards Mr. Bachchan has really made this happen, that we have unforgettable in our city, Houston. Ladies and gentlemen, now please a round of applause for CEO of Star Promotions, Rajinder. And a word from him. अब वो बोलने में शर्मा रहे हैं. एक्चुअली मिस्टर बच्चन को देख के वही हो जाता है, सबकी बोलती बंद हो जाती है, इंक्लूडिंग मी. सो अब इन राजेंद्र चाह रहे हैं कि फूलों से अपने मेहमानों का स्वागत करें. सितारों के दामन के फूलों से सजाना चाह रहे हैं राजेंद्र सिंह. The lovely Ash. Dashing Abhijit. Okay. With a darling smile, Madhuri Dixit. Charming indeed, Ritesh Deshmukh. And the much sought after musical tune, Vishal Shekhar. Welcome all, welcome to Houston. Tomorrow night, you all will experience the unforgettable impact of a performance so unique. The superstars of our Indian film industry all together on stage. And at the same time, you will also witness a massive production, mind-blowing choreography, and super direction. The credit goes to the company called Vizcraft. And now I invite the man with the Midas touch, the CEO of Vizcraft, Mr. Virav Sarkari, to please say a word.
Thank you. Good evening and welcome everyone. Thank you very much for coming. I'd like to thank all the members of the media and also Rajinder Singh from Star Promotions for actually being the local promoter for the Unforgettable Tour in Houston. It all began when Mr. Bachchan actually called us over and discussed this idea of putting this world tour together. And he had only one thing to tell us: let's make this unforgettable. And I think with the team that we have, we've done exactly that. I think we have an unforgettable team. Everybody has given their creative inputs and inputs on everything that actually makes this entire show and the tour unforgettable. So I'd like to thank all the stars for the support, and they're truly unforgettable stars. We've actually, this is our 5th destination. We've been to 4 destinations. We've started in Toronto, we've been to Trinidad, we've been to LA, and we've been to Frisco. And this is, we are here in Houston, and I can only tell you one thing, that this Saturday night we're going to have a very big party. It's going to be a huge show. Everywhere that we've been, it's been a complete sellout show. It's been jam-packed, and the audience reactions have been absolutely fantastic. And we're expecting much more over here in Houston. Without much ado, I would like to call Mr. Bachchan to come on behalf of the Unforgettable Stars to say a few words. Thank you.
evening, everyone, and thank you so much for being here in such large numbers. Thank you, media, for finding time for us. Our apologies for being a little late, but a lot of the stars have been traveling widely and have been coming in from different destinations, and all the flights had finally accumulated at one particular hour that sort of delayed us. This tour is something that I really had never hoped that I would be associated with, because I started doing concerts way back in 1979, 80, 81, 83, and finally felt that it was time now for me to retire from that. But I think the enthusiasm of the younger generation, the efficient management of Wizcraft, their desire to put up something efficient, managerially and creatively, to the audiences outside Indian shores was a great inspiration for me to put something together, and we all have decided to come out. I'm very delighted by the response that we've been getting. I must admit that we were very apprehensive in the beginning as to what would be the reaction from the audiences, but thankfully they've been very, very encouraging and boisterous and loud, and I hope that Houston tomorrow will be equally so. What can I say? We have a very talented group of stars with us. I'm particularly delighted to have Madhuri with us. She's almost a part of your existence now here. I want to thank her for joining us for the American part of the leg. We have, of course, Aishwarya, Abhishek, Hitesh, and the wonderful music duo, Vishal and Shekhar, absolutely young, excited, and very inspirational in all that they do, very positive all the time. And so here we are, and we're now open for any kind of questions that you may wish to ask, and hopefully we will be able to do that without much ado.
And just before that happens, Mr. Bachchan and the stars of the Unforgettable Tour, my name is Meena Dutt, and ladies and gentlemen, I am really very proud to let you know on behalf of Rajendra and Star Promotions that August 2nd has been declared as Bollywood Day in Harris County. To celebrate the occasion, special proclamations have been issued by Harris County Judge Ed Emmett, the highest ranking official in the 4th largest county in the United States. So it's a great thing to happen. And now to present these proclamations, I invite the only Indian elected official in Houston, Harris County, the Board of Trustees of Houston Community College, Nita Sane. Please welcome.
Thank you and good evening all. I'm reading this proclamation on behalf of the Harris County Judge, Ed Emmett. To all whom these presents shall come, greetings. Know ye that Bollywood, a Houston Harris County premiere on August 2nd, 2008 at Toyota Center. Whereas Houston Harris County warmly welcomes Bollywood superstar Amitabh Bachchan, starring in this world-class event, and whereas the Unforgettable Tour will premiere as the largest compilation of Bollywood stars under one roof, for one very special evening of dance, music and acting, and whereas this incredible event will feature an all-star cast and promises to be an event to remember. Now, therefore, I, Ed Emmett, County Judge of Harris County, Texas, hereby proclaim Saturday, August 2nd, 2008, as Bollywood Day in Harris County, Texas, and extend my warmest greetings and congratulations on this outstanding production that is sure to delight and entertain all attendees. Signed by the County Judge Ed Emmett, and it is a great pleasure to present this proclamation to Mr. Amitabh Bachchan.
लाखों तारे आसमान में, महताब एक है, जिसके नाम से धड़क